Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Mira Platinum digital shower system and you need to replace the batteries in the controller. Now you might know that you need to replace the batteries in the controller and that's why you're here, or you might be here because the controller is not working or not connecting to the shower head or something like that, not pairing properly. A lot of times dead batteries are the culprit for this, and they're very easy to change. All you need to do is get 3 AA batteries, and if you don't have them, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get the batteries at a good price. But anyways, it's really easy. We're just going to come to our controller that's on the wall, and on the bottom we should see this tab button kind of thing right here on the base mount. And if we just push that up, that will release the bottom of the controller, and we'll just pull that controller off the wall and then turn it around, and there are the 3 batteries right there. From there we'll just pull those batteries out and put the batteries back in, just making sure that we follow the plus minus scheme on the thing. And then from there we're just going to put the controller back on the wall, which means we're going to, the button that we pushed is down here. We're going to kind of hook it on top and then push the bottom onto the base, and we should hear it click when it gets on, when it sets on. And then that's it, we're done. So if this helped you, if you could please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.